Hello people. Today I will show you how you can run Windows 95 on any PC you might have. Hope you enjoy our little trip into nostalgia. The first thing you need to do is download the exe from the link in the description below. Once you download it, double-click it, wait a minute and an emulated version of Windows 95 will begin to run. Once the app launches, click on the button, where it says, Start Windows 95. And here is the menu, with all the glory Windows 95 had to offer. This is the old WordPad. Ha ha ha. AOL.com. And here is Internet Explorer 3.0. Here we see some games. If you want to play them, they should work just fine. As you can see, I'm playing Minesweeper. A very fun game. And now we go to the heart and soul of the operating system. The control panel. This is where you can adjust settings and make tweaks to your system. This is the display settings, where we'll change the wallpaper into something a little more pretty. This app is still in development, so it might not work perfectly. If you have a hard time logging back into Windows, just click this button here on the bottom of the screen where it says Reset machine and delete state. It will delete everything you did, and log you into a fresh version of Windows. Enjoy.